Hi guys, welcome to my channel. The topic is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions are fractions that have different numerators and denominators but are equal to the same value. Now, it's a type of fraction whereby the numerators and the denominators are different but are equal to the same value. For example, 2 over 3 equals box over 6. Now, the number at the top is called the numerator, while the number below is called denominator. So now, to get the missing box, you need to think of what you can multiply by 3 to get 6. Whatever you use to multiply the denominator will be used also for the numerator. So can you think of any number that can be multiplied by 3 to get 6? So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. So definitely, if I multiply the denominator by 2, the numerator too will be multiplied by 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is also 4. Now, this type of fractions are equivalent. Just that the numerators and the denominators are different, but the values are the same. Now, let's look at another example. Example 2. Example 2. When we have 1 over 4 equals box over 24. Now, like I said, you need to think of what you can multiply by 4 to get 24. Now, 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. So, if I multiply the denominator by 6, the numerators too must be multiplied by 6. So, which makes the answer to be 6, because 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. Example 3. Example 3. 9 over 12 equals 54 over box. 9 over 12 equals 54 over box. Now, here the denominator is missing. Now, what can I multiply by 9 to get 54? Now, if you are multiplying your 9 times, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, 9 times 5, 45, 9 times 6 is what? 54. So 9 multiplied by 6 makes 54. So the numerators too will be multiplied by 6. So here we have 12 times 6. 12 multiplied by 6 makes what? That's 72. Do you understand? Now, class tax. Class tax. Let's solve some questions under equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Class tax. Number 1. 2 over 3 equals box over 12. 2 over 3 equals box over 12. After the count of 5, I will solve the correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's solve the correction for number 1. 2 over 3 equals box over 12. Now you can tell that the numerator is missing in this question. So now looking at this, you just think of what you can multiply by 3 to get 12. Now 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. So whatever I use to multiply my denominators will also be used to multiply the numerator, which is also multiplied by 4. So what is 2 times 4? That's 8 over 12. Question 2. 5 over 10 equals box over 60. 5 over 10 equals box over 60. After the count of 5, the corrections will be solved. Now let me write question 3 for the countdown. Question 3, we have 2 over 4 equals 16 over box. 2 over 4 equals 16 over box. Equals 16 over box. Now, looking at question 2, I'm going to count 1 to 5 before solving the correction. Starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, to get the numerator, the first thing you think of is to look for the number you can multiply by 10 to get 60. Now, 10 multiplied by 6 makes what? 60. So whatever I use to multiply my denominator will also be used to multiply the numerator. So 5 times 6 here makes what? 30. Which equals to what? 30 over 6. 60. Sorry. Now question 3, after the count of 5, I'm going to solve the correction for question 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the solution for question 3 here is that we're going to look for a number that can be multiplied by 2 to get 16. So whatever number we have here will also be used to multiply the denominator, which is 4. So 2 times 8 is, that's 16. 4 times 8 here is 32. Do you understand? All right, thanks for joining my videos. Please click the like button for more tutorials in mathematics. Thank you. Bye.